Get your one ready. Get your one ready. Okay, ready? They don't want to hear me sing, so you sing pretty loud. Ready? Stand up, Andrew. Oh, get him, get him. Push it on your head a little bit better. Ready for the song? You know Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen, Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen. What do you call the most famous reindeer of all? Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it goes. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never laughed for Rudolph joining any reindeer games. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say,